Hello, smart people out there. If you are here, I suppose and assume that you are motivated about learning Arabic. And guess what? That's all what you need. Just focus with me, and you will be able to speak, write, read, and listen to Arabic language in a short period of time. So, as you can see here in the table, there are 28 Arabic letters or Arabic alphabets. There are 28. Okay, this is an introductory lesson to Arabic alphabets to teach you sounds and so you can see the shape of the letters. By the time I'll teach you how to write each and every letter. Okay, so let's begin. The first one, as you can see, is so proud and standing up in the beginning of the table. So this is Alif, Alif, Alif. The second one, if you can see well, this is a family. Father, mother, and sibling or son. The father has 1 dot, mother has 2 dots, and the sibling or the son has 3 dots. He inherited the 2 or the dots from his father and mother. So the father, if you can see like the shape, this is the shape, and the dot is below the shape. So below, ba, 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 ba. For the mother, the 2 dots are up. 2, ta, 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 ta. For the son, the 3 dots are up. 3, tha, 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 tha. Perfect. Repeat after me, please. So we've seen Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha. A, Ba, Ta, Tha. Perfect. Excellent. Let's move on to the second family. So here's the father, mother, and the son. And the son inherited the only dots from his father. His mother has no dots. Okay, so this is an athlete family. They like going to the gym. So if you can see well, they look like a 2 upside down. This is a 2 upside down. 2 upside down. And the father, like the dot, if you can see, is inside the semicircle here. So the father is inside the gym. So this is Jim. Ja, ja, Jim. The mother isn't at the gym yet. So she is like running to reach the gym, to reach her husband. And by the time like she is, let's say, she is tired. So she starts doing this sound because she is tired. So this is ha, 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 ha. And for the son, the dot is up or up in the head. So when you hit someone in the head, he will do a sound, like a sound will be moving out of his throat, like so this is kha, 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 kha. So let's repeat. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha. This is a family also, but let's say this is a couple, mother and father, or women, male and female. this has no dots, so this is del, no dots. Del, da, del. This has one dot, so this is ذال, ذا, ذال, ذال. This is also a couple. One has a dot, and one has a dot and one hasn't. So this is ra, za, zay. Another couple here has 3 heads and 1 semicircle without dots, and this has 3 dots. Sin, sin, shin, shin, shin. Another couple, sad, dad, ta, ظا, عين, عين, غين, غين, فاء, فاء, قاف, قاف, كاف, كاف, لام, لام, ميم, ميم, نون, نون, هاء, هاء, واو, واو, ياء. Let's repeat again. And this time it will be like so fast, like it will be faster, let's say. ألف, باء, تاء, ثاء, جيم, حاء, خاء, دال, ذال, راء, زاي, سين, شين, صاد, ضاد, طاء, ظاء, عين, غين, فاء, قاف, كاف, لام, ميم, نون, هاء, واو, ياء. Let's repeat again. Repeat with me, please. And this time it will not like be the word letter. This will be just the sound out of it. A, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, kha, da, za, ra, za, sa, sha, sa, da, ta, ظا, غا, فا, كا, لا, ما, نا, ها, wa, ya. Repeat, please, after me. So, I hope that you liked the video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write it down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell alongside to receive all my new videos in the future. If you like the video, please press the like button down here and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And goodbye. Have a nice day.